The controversial businessman Ed Mnangagwa was a long-time ally to Dakwashe Tagure. He is now openly leading a parallel 2030 re-election campaign, sidelining veteran party cadres and igniting fresh tensions within the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sanapenda mashukubura panguva ino nyasi kuonekwa aiwa zvegananda panguva ino zvaijika bato rezANU-PF ratogwa nezvigananda. Ndokuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mnamubuda nyuka mchidzi Tagure, recently elected into ZANU-PF Central Committee, will be guest of honor at high-profile event organized by Young Women for Economic Development held at NAST Ceremonial Hall on the 25th of June 2025. Brilliant as part of the Leadership Success Series under the theme The Lady Tenure, Unlocking the Potential of Young People. The gathering will see the launch of the Vendors for ED Presidential Empowerment Fund, a strategic populist move aimed at consolidating Mnangagwa's grassroots support. But critics say the event is less about youth empowerment and more about power consolidation by Mnangagwa's loyalists, infamously referred to as the Zvigananda faction, a term now synonymous with sycophants and corrupt praise singers, enabling Mnangagwa's 30-term ambitions. Joining Tagure on the poster and backing the ED 2030 project are other prominent Zvigananda figures. Paul Tungwarara, Presidential Investment Advisor, Owen Nguve, Minister of State, Munyaradzi Machacha, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar, Notenda Machakaire, the Youth Minister, Jabulani Sivanda, Tenda Mavitera, Nyasha Monda, Sandra Ndevele. Analysts say this group, carefully chosen for their undivided loyalty to Mnangagwa, forms the nucleus of a political machinery prepared the ground for an ED 2030 campaign, a project aimed at extending President Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutional limits of 2 terms. Notably, absent of both the program and the platform are veterans, military figures, and other long-serving ZANU-PF cadres who have grown increasingly uneasy with the Tagure's rising political role and the growing cult of personality around Mnangagwa. The Zvigananda takeover years deepened the party's succession crisis, particularly aching Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga, who many believed was next in line after his pivotal role in the 2017 military coup that brought Mnangagwa to power. While Chiwenga remains publicly silent, insiders say he's watching Tagure's maneuvers with growing unease. Tagure's recent appointment to the Central Committee, confirmed by Party Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Namasa, was facilitated through back channels. Though nominated by Masvingo Province, it was Harare Province, closely aligned with Mnangagwa, that cleared a slot for him, signaling how President's inner circle is shaping the party's future trajectory. Thomas Warubuda panguva ine pamusoro aiwapfekwa jeketi wajika kuitwa bato panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi kune munhu pasi Zvigananda zvatora bato. Zvigananda ndozvakutonga nyika. VP Nkosazana Chiwenga has been sidelined. Kunyarara kwavakaita zvekare general panguva ine kuri kutoshamisa vanhu nokuda kwokuti vanhu vari kuona kuti maatax ari kuitwa VP Nkosazana Chiwenga, but he is choosing to remain silent. We do not know what he is planning. Nango mese kuchemeto dzimafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the page.